The chapter 14, question number 9, right? And question number 9 is, so a loan in the amount of 99,000. So 99,000 you can highlight, which is the present value. Bear interest at 19.5 per annum. So annually is 19.5. So 1 YR, right?
Compounded monthly.
Compounded monthly. So highlight monthly, right? Note in advance, the loan has a 15-year amortization period. So 15 years means if it's monthly, then 180. 180 N. So number of months is 180. So there you can write on 180. And then payments are to be made monthly and are to be rounded up to the next higher dollar. So basically if it's 237.40, so it becomes 238, right? The amount of the final payment required to fully amortize the loan is. So we have to find the final payment. So circle final payment. So you have to find final payment. So one question you can get about final payment in the exam. What's the final payment? It will be different. Okay. So what we do, the same thing. 19 point S. So 19.5 is shift nominal. Then 12 shift PYR.
That's the new step.
It's a new step, right?
Because J12 is already given, so if we are not going to convert, we have to add another step.
So J12 basically monthly is already given. How do we know the monthly is given? Because it says compounded monthly, right? So 19.5 per annum compounded monthly. So circle compounded monthly, which is already given. So we don't need to convert it, right? So that's why it's 12 shift PYR, right? Okay. Then months are 180. So that key is solved. Then 99,000 is the present value. That key, you when you do the sum, you can write on the PV 180N. Now these steps are gone, right? You have to find one of them only. And then 0 plus minus future value. Future value is not given there, right? So you write 0 plus minus, right? And then payment. We have to find the payment. So what do we find? What do we find? What's the amount? What's the answer? 935.91, right? So just do that. Okay, so then we go to the question number which one? Payment 1702.
Payment rounded up to the higher dollar.
So we have to do the further, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So 1702.27. So what's the highest dollar next? 1703. So we put 1703 plus minus, right?
Yeah.
Payment. Payment and future value we always do plus minus, right? And now future value, what's the future value? What's the future value?
767.
767.
7.
607 or 767?
767.
Yeah, so 767.77. That's the future value. Okay, but we have to find the final payment. Yeah, so minus 1702 point.
No.
1703. Minus 1703. Yeah. So 935.91. So this is a different step, right? This is a different step. So what do we do? So payment is this much. So we round it to the next dollar. Sometimes they say round it to the next $10. So this becomes 1710, right? Right? So 1703 plus minus payment in the future value is 767.7, and you subtract from where? From this payment, right? And then you'll find the final payment, and final payment is higher, right? Okay, and then so this is question number 9, chapter 40.